much. Today's video is on Hurricane Arthur. We're on location up at Cabot Beach, which is around the Malpeque Darnley area here on Prince Edward Island. The storm, Hurricane Arthur, has been downgraded to a tropical storm once it hit the Atlantic Canada area. So the storm is expected to still move through later on this evening and into tonight. Hello? No, I haven't. Anyways, so the winds, the waves, everything. I mean, there's trees down. You have to be pretty careful. The leaves on the trees act like little parachutes, and they seem to just catch the wind and cause the limbs to break off. The salt air, if you get too close to the water, you'll end up tasting the salt water. So I'm going to show you a little bit, let you see how big the waves can get when we do have a tropical storm hit the island. And yeah, have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.